I'm a bad boy. Oh, like serious, I'm a bad boy. If you check on my phone right now, the only female contacts I've been, they are all my siblings.
Come join the family inside the living room.
Inside the living room.
Where big dreams where we the chair go bloom.
Hello viewers, welcome to today's episode on The Living Room. I am your host, 𝗙𝗦𝗢𝗓, and I'm here with...
And I am Mensa Abrumpa, aka Divulate. Nigga.
Okay, so Nana, how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing good and you.
I'm also doing well. So today we are going to talk about best friends.
Best friends.
Do you have a female best friend?
Oh, I have female friend, but I don't have female best friend.
You have a
I have
female friend, but I don't have a female
best friend. Like bestie. I mean, I don't do those kind of things.
Okay. Bestie, like someone who is close to you. Someone who is like a sibling to you.
Yeah. You see, I said I have a friend, female friend, but I don't have female best friend. Yes.
So Nana, can a woman and a man be best friends without romantic feelings?
I like this question. To me, Nana,
Why?
female and a male best friend without
Feelings. Yes.
Oh, never.
Romantic feelings.
Never. Someone like me, if I propose to you, now rejecting proposal, don't even entertain me as a friend. Like as a best friend, you get it. Don't even entertain me that. Because the moment I must start out from first, second, I ever can. Mean if right now we are friends, right? We are friends. You are not my girlfriend. So if I call you right now, I can't talk to you more than 10 minutes. Like me who the American. You get it.
That's you can talk about life.
Life. Life never can say. Never can say.
Like your current situation.
Oh, come on. Me per se, Nanaya. Okay, fine. I don't know. Sanya, moye like one of your besties do that level, but to me, dear, no, I can't.
You can't.
Yes, I can't. Because me know Casacra now, maybe me stubborn. Me stubborn. I have friends, female friends. Oh, me know I'm chatty. Yo, hi, what's up? I'm fine. You okay? How was your day? Short. Many baby I'm like my girlfriend here. We have something to talk about it. A better topic I ever can happen. But say also me for maybe bibi na your casa from business be something like that. But say you are not talking about any business. Now me say my best friend no, my friend na ever casa. But say it will tend to something else.
But you can set boundaries.
That boundaries, now I can't set.
You cannot set.
I cannot set that boundaries.
But you have boundaries in your relationship.
Yes.
So you can also set for your friendship.
That one in what relationship. Yes. But you are not my girlfriend. To me, say me who say my girlfriend, say I have a best sorry, what do you call it? Bestie. That very day now it will end our relationship.
You can't just end it like that.
I will end it. Because of me, my mindset.
Your mindset?
Yes.
But maybe the lady is also having a different mindset.
Bema. Now yes, Bonsamin child dear Kwana Omokano, how do you understand it? Bema Obisano. Listen, Bema, you about this Bema help 1, 2, 3. That is say Bema Usroyami, those Yamisro for no church boys near them. Yes, one or more there. But Yamu any day. We say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so your targets.
But you're Christian.
Part-time Christian.
You
get it? Yeah, you see, you on the levels. Me, they say part-time Christian. Yes. a part-time Christian. I know some certain girl be Sakina, also a Muslim. Okako empire basis here, work on the boy. So if I see those people's name, let me get it.
Oh, only man. Niente o kon.
My name is Okoro boy.
Maybe okosrana ke.
Boyfriend, anything can happen.
Anything can happen. They can talk.
Talk.
Eh.
Okay. And only your mom. Anytime I miss me, yes, I know. You see,
Because you cannot control yourself.
let me see. You can say with my bestie. You can visit your bestie at any time. Yes. Me. Unless we are minia and I say I don't have any feelings for you.
So you take the person as your friend or your sibling.
My sibling.
Yeah, that's the best.
No. The sibling there, one blood. And you see, temptation, no. Me yet, what can I say? Bible, where for friend simple. Ojani ya okode fias. Oh, Kaim. And I won't call sorry.
Who's your Johnny?
Hey, oh, Potiphar, Joseph. Oh, God, sorry. You two part-time Christian, right? No, yeah, I can see.
I'm not part-time Christian.
Oh, you are part-time Christian. Okay, sorry.
Apostolic.
Apostolic. And the quotation we are now, maybe,
Maybe someone bought quotation.
me say Bible, the Ojani ya na, Ojani Ejamai Joseph. It's a Honda. John Cranny. John see us what them with that crown. You see, this word no. Say, we say, baby boy, over power. That's how rejecting a proposal. No, I can't just okay, let's be what? Besties. So what to be that? Yes. I don't know. Miss and Beppo. No one giant. Name ya also say, come on, ba. I look at us say, why and yan is at the besties. From wedding. Think about yourself.
Yeah, that one.
Yes.
True, that one.
Yes. It's a missing me, your bestie.
But if you guys maybe meet in school or maybe in a classroom and you decide to be friends through maybe a conversation you had and you decide to be friends.
Classroom.
Yeah.
You're my classmates. You're not my friend.
Classmates?
Yes.
Outside the class, you can talk.
Outside the class.
Yeah.
The only thing you can talk is, oh baby, after school. I have a lot of in the school mates. I have their contacts. I don't like chat to be crowded, but review starts.
But you can have a close friend.
I don't have any female close friend.
You don't have female close friends.
I'm a bad boy. Oh, like serious. I'm a bad boy. If you check on my phone right now, the only female contacts I've been, they are all my siblings. That's all. And my classmates. That one review starts. You cry. When was the last time I chat you? Review starts, right? So one day, one of them so they won't say we are friends. Sada me who know. But if you come and visit me, where you come? Maybe that day will be your judgment day. He said no. Why no? Why no?
I don't like getting out of the house.
You don't like getting out of the house. And you tell me that you have bestie.
Yeah.
You can visit your bestie at any time.
I don't visit.
You don't visit. Then don't have bestie.
Visit.
Then you yourself that bestie things you don't understand. They visit.
Yeah.
So me, if I visit you or if I come to your place, that day will be your judgment day.
Describe the judgment day.
Atemuda, you go for what that very day, one shot now, you get it. I'm a bad boy. You have to understand that. That's why I don't go to church.
So should your partner have a say in your friendship?
Say.
Should she have a say in your friendship? As in who you should go out with, who you should be talking to?
No. No. My girlfriend or my partner, you don't have any audacity to tell me to go out with this person to pick this call. You see, you have some guys and or some ladies. When you call, whom are you talking to? Who called you? No, I don't do that.
So it should be the same way, vice versa.
I will not even ask you who called you. Whom were you talking to? If your phone cry, when you call I will just call you, babe, when you call. Or I'm not going to check on your phone. But Who say sometimes money dey insuma. Sometimes say if your partner is hiding something from you, or how crab was able to any pin. Text message was about that one won't go through, won't go find the phone and go through. But an answer said to me, you get it. Who to me a piece to cry. It's no me foul phone, but BBI basically.
So it's good to have your partner's password.
Yes,
It's good.
me there to me there is good because if you're my girlfriend, you know my password, everything. Me momo pin cry, you know.
Same goes for your friends.
But I mean, I don't know my
Your
girlfriends,
close friend.
my close friend. No, that's no one.
That's one. But
Yes,
you're trusting your girlfriend.
my girlfriend. She's
Eh,
my girlfriend. Maybe Abam chain and I do yeah, something might happen to me. Also offer my phone now, offer some 1 or 2 contacts be not offering. So in that case, let's say one name password, you get it. How can she have access to my phone? You get it. And besides, my girlfriends, so we were together. Okay, me for girlfriend as I'm 20, marry if you are my wife, or say who me password, me more pin. The family members support there, me is like I don't know and who here say oh me. But my girlfriend also in case of anything, you can have access to me Momo
that's
account.
the immediate person.
Yes. But I mean, as I'm talking to you now, my girlfriend know my password, my Momo pin. I'm in the medium. Yo, ahwefo dream media so enie se wo obi a wo pese wo ba onema ho dewuro se atare na wo ton empaboa na wo ton aduane na wo ye eton na wo pese wo ba ho dewuro ana bibi biara a wo ton a wo pese wo ba ho dewuro no and the dream media abese ombeboa wo na wo ba ho dewuro na afoforo so ate wo nka wo mo ahu odwumadi a wodie na omo eno ebedi dwuma enti no hwe numbers na ewuri e screen so na wafa emu bia na wafre na woni pedifo adwetwe nkombo bibi biara wo bia tokpo bia wo sem bia no e baba na e ba betwa wo nyoma no ni abɔ ho dewuro de ama kama enti no mesrɛ wo fa na ma no na frɛ mpanyinfoɔ na mpanyinfoɔ ɛne wo ntwetwe nkɔmmɔ.